Hey everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Olaf from the Disney movie Frozen. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the top of Olaf's head. So I'm going to start on the top right side of my paper and draw like an upside down U shape, like that. And it's kind of slanted just a little bit because his head is going to be tilted. Okay. And then I'm going to start here on the left side. I'm going to curve a line up and down, over. It's going to come back up like that. And this part's going to be his big smile. All right. Next, let's work on his mouth. So we're going to follow this same kind of pattern. I'm going to draw a line down and over and up. And then for the top of his mouth, I'm going to do a curved line down and it curves back up like that. Okay, and then at the top of his mouth, I'm going to draw two little lines facing downward. And then Olaf has big front teeth. Perfect. All right, next let's draw his eyes. And he has two round eyes. And I made his eyes kind of like touching. And he has a carrot nose. And I'm going to draw some lines to make it look like a carrot. And let's draw the little circles on the inside of his eyes. All right, now for his eyebrows. Let's go above his eye, draw a line down and over, and connect. Same on the left, straight line down, curve line over, and connect it. Now let's draw Olaf's hair. And his hair is just like sticks coming out of the top of his head. So we are just going to draw some kind of curvy lines coming out of the top of his head like that. So straight line up and down and up. And there's really no right or wrong way to do this. Next, let's draw Olaf's body. And I'm going to start here on the bottom of his face near the left side. And we are going to draw a rounded shape for the top part of his body. And then let's go right underneath and draw a bigger shape for the bottom part of his body. Now let's draw Olaf's buttons. And he has one big circular button on the top and two on the bottom. Okay. Now let's draw his feet. And in this drawing, he's almost like kicking up his feet. So we're going to draw a foot on this side and a foot on the bottom. Perfect. All right, next let's draw his arms. And Olaf has sticks for arms, so we're going to draw a line straight out. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a little bumpy. And then little fingers at the end. All right, and let's do the same on the right. We'll start right about here and draw a long stick out and then draw little rectangles at the end for his fingers. Perfect. Our Olaf looks great. Now let's color. Our Olaf is so cute, and he's ready to play in the snow. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.